Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. In our today's lecture of classical novel, we are going to discuss key features of 18th century novels. So, हम introduction से start करेंगे. The 18th century was the real beginning of the English novel. During this time, his work novel changed a lot from old stories. Writers started focusing on real life. Writers ने real life पर, real people पर and real problems पर focus किया. They used simple language and showed society और वो मुआशरे को जाहिर करते थे as it truly was, जैसे कि वो था. Here are the main features of novel from the 18th century. Number one, realism, जिसको हम हकीकत पसंदी कहते हैं. Novels of this period, इस period के जो novel थे, were very realistic. वो बड़े हकीकत पर मबनी थे. Writers showed the real life of the ordinary people. Ordinary लोगों की real life को novel ने जाहिर करना शुरू किया. They describe normal events, daily problems and emotion honestly. There were no magical events, जादुई वाकयात नहीं थे और unbelievable heroes नहीं थे. Everything was close to real life. हर चीज real life के करीब थी. Focus on middle class life. The 18th century was the age of rising middle class. 18th century की जो एज थी ये मिडिल क्लास की तरक्की का दौर था and novels focused on their lives. Stories were about merchant, कहानियां ताजरों के बारे में थी, clerks, servant and families. Writers showed their dreams, मुसन्निफ ने अपने dreams जाहिर किए, struggle and manners, making the reader feel connected to them. Development of characters. Characters became deep, बड़े गहरे हो गए and human like, इंसानी character सामने आए. They had good and bad qualities, just like real people. They grew, ये बड़े होते थे, change होते थे, learned lesson through the story कहानी में. Readers could see themselves in the characters because they were not perfect. Importance of morality and lesson. Most novels gave moral lesson. बहुत सारे novels ने moral lesson दिए. They taught readers, वो readers को पढ़ाते थे that honesty, goodness and hard work lead to success, के कामयाबी की तरफ ले जाते हैं. Bad actions were shown to bring punishment, बुरे action punishment की तरफ ले जाते हैं. The novel guided people, novels ने लोगों को guide करना शुरू किया on how to live better life, कि बेटर जिंदगी जो है वो कैसे गुजारनी है. First person narration and letters, epistolary novels. Many novels were written in the form of letters. Letters की सूरत में लिखे गए between characters. This style called epistolary made the story feel more real and personal. Story और real और personal हो गई. It allowed readers to directly understand. इससे characters ने directly समझना शुरू किया. Thoughts को और feelings को. Rise of women writer. Women writers became important during this time. Writers like Ephra Ben and Fanny Burney, ये जो female writers थी, showed women lives. इन्होंने women life को जाहिर किया, struggles को and emotions. Women were no longer just side characters. ये sides character सिर्फ नहीं रही. ठीक है, they were strong and central to the story. Satire and humors. Writer used humor. मुसन्निफीन जो थे वो humor, satire तनकीद करते थे to criticize society's foolishness, मुआशरे की बेवकूफ़ी को बयान करने के लिए and problems. They made fun of the rich. Rich का उन्होंने मजाक उड़ाया, politics का, social manners का. Books like Gulliver's Travel are good example when fun was used to teach serious lesson. Beginning of different novels type genres. The 18th century saw the birth of different types of novels. Adventure novels, emotional, जज्बाती novel, ठीक है, and scary, gothic novel, यानी डरावने novel became popular. This gave readers a variety of choices. इससे readers को बहुत सारे choices मिले depending on what they like, कि वो क्या पसंद करते थे. Detailed settings and description. Writers paid attention, मुसन्निफ तवज्जो देते थे to the description of places. Whether it was a village हो, city हो, घर हो, everything was explained, हर चीज बयान की जाती थी so clearly that readers could imagine it easily. It made the novels more vivid and alive. इससे novel और alive और vivid clear हो गए. New structure of storytelling. Novels had a proper structure. Novel का एक proper structure था with a beginning, middle and end. There was a clear introduction of problems, the way character tried to solve them and how everything got resolved. हर चीज कैसे ठीक हो जाती थी by the end. This made the stories easier to follow. इससे novel की stories और जो है follow करना easy हो गई. So student, that was our question. Key features of 18th century novel? That is an important question. Thank you.